Well, hello everyone. It is digital host AJ Wiest here with a breaking news story for you all. The State Department of Public Health recently confirmed a whooping cough case at Scottsboro High School. Now, whooping cough, a highly contagious bacteria respiratory disease. Now, the Scottsboro High School assistant superintendent says the school nurse is working with those who may have come in contact with this person who was sick. Officials did not say if the whooping cough case involved a student or a staff member. Now, this is all the information we have at this time, but we will continue to update you all as we learn more. But with WAFF 48, I'm digital host AJ Wiest, and I'm on your side.